Hello, Mindful Schools family and friends. My name is April. She, hers are the pronouns, calling in from Brooklyn, New York, the city that never sleeps, never silent, never still. So I've consistently had to ask myself, what does it mean, or what does it really look like for my mindfulness practice to be alive in the day-to-day hustle and bustle that is the place I love, Brooklyn, New York, New York City. And so as I get ready to teach a yoga class, I gaze outside of the window and notice the many cars, the different people, and the many sounds that surround this yoga studio, a space where many New Yorkers come in the hopes of find a little bit of ease, a little bit of serenity. And instead of putting myself in resistance to the sounds and the movement that surround us, I take a moment, I close my eyes and see what sounds I notice happening really far away outside of this yoga studio right now. And I welcome it in without judgment. I hear children right now walking with their families, sharing their days with their moms, their dads, or their family members. You can't hear it, but there's many cars and motorcycles right now driving by. And then I draw my attention to the sounds that are closer inside of this yoga studio right now that I'm about to teach. And it's been hot and humid in New York City, and I am drawn to the sounds of the fan that is adding a little bit of cool air into this yoga studio space right now. Again, my practice in a city, being from a city and in a city, with lots of sounds and lots of movement, is I welcome it in. I allow it to be a beautiful component to the ingredients of my practice, no longer resisting what persists, but welcoming it in. Thank you all so much. Enjoy your explorations.